Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve for the value of s from this simple junior Olympiad math problem. And the equation is given as x to power 2 plus x to power 2 is equal to 4x. To solve for the value of s from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to consider the left hand side of this equation. As you can see, what do you notice? We are adding the same thing, x to power 2, x to power 2. So therefore, we can factor out x to power 2, then we open bracket. Now we're going to divide. X to power 2 divide x to power 2 is going to be 1. Then plus x to power 2 divide x to power 2 is going to be 1. So everything will be equal to 4x. Because when you use this x to power 2 to expand, to open this bracket, we're going to get this back. So this is going to be what? X to power 2 into the bracket of 1 plus 1 is the same as 2. So everything will be equal to 4x. Now, the next thing we're going to do, remember, we're looking for the value of x, is to eliminate these two by dividing both sides by 2. So we divide the left hand side by 2 and also the right hand side by 2. So that this 2 is going to cancel this 2. We are left with what? X to power 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 multiplied by x is going to give us 2x. Because 2 here is 1, then 2 here is going to be 2. 2x divided by 1 is the same as 2x. So the next thing we're going to do is to take this 2x back to the left hand side. So we have x raised to the power of 2. And when this positive cross this equality sign, it becomes negative 2x, which is the same as 0. So the next thing we're going to do is to factorize the common. So as you can see, if you look at the left hand side, x to power 2, 2x. So therefore x is common. So we're going to factor out x, then we open bracket. X squared divided by x is going to remain only x. Then minus 2x divided by x. X and x will cancel, it will remain only minus 2. So everything will be equal to 0. So the next thing is for you to recall that when two terms multiply itself and is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second term x minus 2 equal to 0. So this 0 you are seeing here is one of the solution, because as you can see, the equation is quadratic equation because the highest power of x here is 2. So to get the second solution, so x now will be equal to, when we take this negative 2 to the right hand side, it becomes positive 2. So this is the second value of x. And when you substitute these two values, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2, back to the original equation, you are going to see that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. When you substitute 0 here, 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 0 plus 0, so we are going to have 0 in the left hand side, which is the same as 4 multiplied by 0 is 0, so 0 is the same as 0. So this satisfies the equation. And when you substitute 2 here, 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4 is going to give us 8. We have 8 in the left hand side. Then here when we substitute 2, 4 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 8. So 8 is the same as 8. So therefore, this second solution also satisfies the equation. So this is how to solve for the value of x from this junior Olympiad math problem. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this.